Hello everyone, my name is Lim Yi Hang and I'm here with my group members Clayton and our team leader Huan Wei. The title of our project is called pH and Conductivity in Fruit Juices. The purpose of this project is to answer the question whether there's a correlation between pH and conductivity in fruit juices. Now, I would like to invite one of our team members, Clayton, to explain how we got interested in this topic.
So I'm Clayton, and I will explain how we got interested in this topic. The reason we were interested in this topic is because we were curious if there was a correlation between pH and conductivity of different fruit juices like lemon, apple, and pineapple. So in our hypothesis, there is a correlation between pH and conductivity of different fruit juices. So I would like to invite our team leader, Huan Wei, to explain the procedure. Your turn.
Hello, I'm Han Wei. I'm the team leader, and I'm here to say the procedure. So firstly, we've had 6 types of fruits, namely apple, orange, lemon, lime, pineapple, and watermelon as our samples for testing. We use 6 varieties of fruit to find out to differentiate the pH and acidity levels of all the fruits. We also use water as the control for our experiment. We use the test kit for the pH meter and the conductivity meter to test the corresponding values from our samples. We also had a fruit blender, a juice blender, to blend the fruits into juices. So firstly, after we cut the fruits, we blended them and used our pH meter to test the pH value out of the fruit juices. And then we recorded our observations in a table, and we did the same for conductivity using the conductivity tester. So on our results, wait, do I need the table to say the results?
Can you explain to me? Can you tell me?
Okay, so for our results, our lemon had a pH value of 3, while its conductivity value was 762 parts per million. We measured using the unit parts per million. And lime had a pH value of 3.12, and while conductivity had a value of 845. Orange had 4.04 of pH value, while it had a conductivity value of 760. Pineapple had a pH value of 4.3, while its conductivity value was the highest out of all the fruits at 909. Apple had a pH value of 4.55, while the conductivity value of it was 441 parts per million. Watermelon had a pH value of 5.74, while its conductivity value was 844. So water had a pH value of 7, meeting our expectations, and its conductivity value was 42. So we plotted a graph of the conductivity versus the pH values of the fruit juices to find out whether there is any correlation. Now, I would like to go back to my team member Clayton to say the conclusion.
Okay, back to me again, Clayton. So from the irregular pattern shown in the chart shows that there is a very little correlation in the fruit juices that we tested, meaning our hypothesis is wrong, because from this experiment, we managed to find out that there was actually no correlation between pH and conductivity of fruit juices. So this will be all and be the end for our presentation for today. So I hope you have enjoyed our presentation, and please feel free to ask us if you have any questions.
Thank you very much, your group, Fruity Scientists. Give yourself a big applause. Come on. Give yourself a big applause. Job well done. I like you all conduct the experiment. Okay. Can I ask a few questions?
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah.
Now, how do you test the conductivity? What do you use?
We
You
use a
mean
test kit. We use a test kit which can be set right here. This is our
Okay.
conductivity meter.
All right.
it's an
Very
EC meter.
Okay, very good. So how do you test? You just put inside the fruit or you squeeze out the juice?
Uh,
Mm,
we put
We
the
use the
thing.
blender to blend the juice and then we tested the juice.
Okay, then you tested the juice. Did you what is the amount of juice that you use?
Huh?
What is the amount of the juice that you use? Do you measure the amount of the juice or you just randomly pour the juice into the cup and test?
No, we had a specific amount of our fruits.
All right, you have specific amount of the juice or of the fruits?
Fruit.
Fruit lah. So that means you weight the fruit first, is it? No.
No, we didn't.
Okay. All right. Okay. Doesn't matter. Okay. Now there is the numbers of conductivity. 700 for the lemon is 762 part per millions, right? Okay. What the number mean actually?
Parts per million means basically it's a type of value for conductivity. So it's like electrical conductivity is a unit, while ppm is another type of unit. So we use ppm 700 for this experiment.
All right. Eddie, the rest want to add also can add. Yeah. If you want to add also can add. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Now you are testing the conductivity of all the different fruits, right? Okay. May I know how do you make the experiment as fair as possible?
We tested all the fruits.
Anything else?
So before we tested everything, we had a check with the water to make sure it was accurate.
Okay.
And if it wasn't, we cleaned it.
One more time. Yeah.
And if it wasn't, then we cleaned the EC meter.
Okay. Okay. Very good. Now, can I ask your procedure? You use the same multimeter, right, to test different fruit. Am I right? Yeah. So, did you clean your multimeter before the next test?
Yeah.
Yes.
Why you need to clean it?
Because if not, it may not be accurate.
And
Okay.
we wiped it through after. And we wiped it after that so that no traces of water there.
Okay. Okay. Very good. Very good. So, how would you improve this experiment if I give you, if there is a chance, yeah, to conduct another round of experiment, okay? How would you think you will improve this experiment?
Maybe we'll test it more times.
Maybe test more fruits.
Just more fruits, okay. Clayton, what do you think? If you cannot think, it's okay. There's no minus mark one, doesn't matter.
Yeah, I can't think.
Doesn't matter. All right, test with more fruits. Okay, what other fruits do you think you can test with?
Maybe grapes.
Avocado. We could test
as the fruits, as we try to make all the fruits like as the same amount of liquid, because if it's very hard, not mostly liquid, then it won't be very accurate. So we can't like add banana inside.
Okay. Now, you guys answered the question is very, very well. The way you guys answer the question is very, very well. Okay. I think there is a room to improve in this experiment. Okay. I suggest, all right, after you blend the fruit, okay, you collect the same amount of juice, right? you collect the same amount of lemon juice, you collect the same amount of lime juice, pineapple juice, apple juice, watermelon juice, equal with the amount of water, all right? Even the way you test also need to be same, correct or not? Yeah? Does it make the experiment more accurate?
Yeah.
Good, 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 good. Okay, now I don't have any more questions. All right, you guys did it very, very well. Now, this is only the first round. Yeah, job well done. Now, if you guys is selected to go to round number 2, you guys need to bring your project to Pusat Sains Negara.
Oh
Okay,
yeah.
Sains Negara, but
Yeah.
only that if
Yeah.
your group is selected lah. Okay,
Only you're selected.
if your group is selected, I want you to bring the board. One way, there's a board behind you, right? You guys make the board already, right?
Yes.
Bring the board over. If can, bring all the fruits. You get what I mean? All the things that you tested already. Yeah, all the things that you tested already. To show everyone who is there. Have you guys been to Pusat Sains Negara? National Science Center. It is a very big exhibition. There's a lot of science experiment you can see. There's
I think I've been there before actually.
So there is children over there, there is teenagers over there, there is mommy and daddies over there, there's grandpa and grandma over there. So you guys have to explain your findings to everyone that interested to know more about your experiment. Can you guys do that?
Okay.
Can.
All right. So that's it from me. Congratulations. I hope to see you face to face. Okay? All right. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Bye.